Today, Robert and I have come to one of our favourite walking spots just out of Whanganui and on the road to Kai Iwi Beach. The Bason Botanic Reserve is even better to visit in the spring when the blossoms and daffodils are at their peak, even though spring isn't officially here for another week or so. There's the spring walk. What we discovered while we were here for a walk was that a new cycle track had been created, running from the Bason Reserve and out to Kai Iwi Beach along Rapanui Road. Here we are, the Bason Reserve. Head off on this new bike ride for us, eh? Let's give it a go, mate. So of course, we just had to see for ourselves if this track was any good or not. So come along for the ride, where I extend my ride even further to ride out to Ototoka Beach. Here's the start of the new track, isn't it? You're curious as to how far it goes?
Yeah.
Let's check it out. See if it goes out to Kai Iwi Beach. Mowhanau settlement. We'll have a look. Okay.
Grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4. Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Not a busy road, fortunately.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo, I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hey lambs. Looking at us, aren't you, little lammies? Cuties. Too cute.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. But you always gotta fight and die from the demons, yo.
Dead sunflowers. That's weird. Happy day. So it's spring. Uh-oh, spring's here. The path stops, for goodness sake. What? Grass? Is it gone?
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
There we are. Starts up again.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Get some good, some food in you. Step 3. Grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4. Everybody just do your thing.
We have so many of these here in New Zealand, where the cow, don't stop, keep going girls, where the cows go under the road here and come out the other side. I've put them off, but they come out the other side for their milking. Whatever. And there's a few down just this road here itself. No, I've really put them off, haven't I? Here they go. I should hide over here. Hide from your babies. There you go. we'll see them out the other side. I'm sure we will. Yep, there they are. I love them. Hello, beautifuls. Bye-bye. Good girls. Bye. I know. You're just lovely. Yeah, all right. I'll leave you alone now. Off you go, do your thing. Sorry, Bobby. I finally caught it. There were some girls going through one of these. I've never ever caught it before.
I was swinging along, minding my business, when suddenly out of the blue, just like a
I always loved this house. Big homestead. Beautiful, eh?
And the birds started singing a beautifully wonderful tune, for no other song could be worthy of beautiful, wonderful you. Now who could have thought this could happen? Who would have ever
Horses over there. Oh, I can't see them.
that someone like you could fall for somebody like me? I'll swing along, happy as ever, no longer lonely or blue, for I have been kissed by an angel.
Stops again. Why that is. Farmers don't allow it to go on their property. It's a mystery, eh? Why the track stopped again? We don't know why the track stops. Oh, maybe they haven't finished. Is that the play centre? Rapanui Brunswick Play Centre in there? Okay. Doesn't start again, does it? On the road only.
Fall for somebody like me. Now I'll swing along, happy as ever, no longer lonely or
Oh, there's the track.
for I am kissed by an angel. Beautiful, wonderful,
Away from that dangerous bend, eh? What?
wonderful you.
If something comes around it. Aha.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turn past that takes a cool side. Same podcast, same old boots. Trying to outrun the thought of you, but understanding the truth don't stop. You can't leave in a town this small.
Whanganui. The little township. Kai Iwi the beach.
Change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. I moved on, but not too far. Just down the road from who we are.
It says it. Welcome to Mowhanau village. Kai Iwi Beach, a place for the family. We've come here all our lives since we were children.
I guess you're right about that. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving fast. You can change.
Shop's gone. Used to be a little dairy out here. That used to be my uncle's house up there on the hill. And my nana had a little cottage at the base of that hill. We used to go into occasionally.
Tried it all. You can't leave in a town this small.
Down to the beach,
Yeah.
play area,
Ooh.
right at the top, viewpoint.
You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name.
Lock this off. high-risk area. Crumbling hilltops, cliff tops, eh? Or down to there, show the bridge that got swept away. Got swept away and when? Gabriel, wasn't it? No? It wasn't Gabriel. When then? Oh, the high flood, the 100-year flood, that's right. It's coming back to me now. Coming back to me now.
Burn it off. You can't live in a town this small.
There it is. Fixed it clearly. In June of 2015, Whanganui had a major flood, calling it a 100-year event, when our rivers and streams burst their banks and this little bridge over the Kai Iwi stream broke. So what, we've only been 5.5k? Mm-hmm. So I'm keen to go out to Ototoka, Maxwell. It's not called Maxwell anymore, it's called something else. I can't remember the Māori name. Yeah? And you'll go back and bring the car out. Done. Oh, we are going down, okay. We're down Tangi Street. Show you the beach. Changed over the years. And the Surf Lifeguard Watchtower. That's new too. And there we are. How often did you come out here? You came out here often? With your family or your friends? Both? Well, I didn't have friends, so I came out with family. Didn't need friends. I had some school friends back in the day. Anyway, I'll go. Yeah.
For you and I, it was a flame back then, but oh my.
Playground. Of course, that wasn't there when I was little. Just beach out here when I was little. Is that house that it was on something? What was it on? I don't know. We watched a program once and they were building that house. Grand Designs? Surely it wasn't a Grand Design, was it? Okay, so you're going back. Oh, how are you going back this side? I'll carry on. Okay, beach, see you later. I should have taken note of what the mileage is. 7.2. Remember that one? 7.2. I don't know how far it is out here.
Well, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Yeah, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn.
Gathering of the lambs. Lambs to the slaughter. Don't talk that way. You're all right. Stop panicking. Bring your babies in. Aww. Be sweet. What happens when you have triplets? The third one has to wait patiently. Oh, cute. Still going up this hill.
When the road keep rolling on, left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. Left my baby crying,
Dusty.
said you can't live that way. I told her love ain't chaining down, it just comes and drifts away. Yeah. Saw the sun in the distance, looked like a burning coin. Saw the sun in the distance, looked like a burning coin. Lord, I don't need no preacher, just that dust roll to join.
The turn-off point here to Ototoka Beach has been a favourite of mine because of this tree. Having photographed it way too many times, even capturing Mount Taranaki in the background. Follow you, lady. Oh, bye, tree. Love you.
Now I'm rolling through the valley, wind hums through my head.
It is. But we're not going there. We're going straight ahead. This is where we used to come as kids. My Auntie Diana had a farm out here. Picked mushrooms. Ah, the mushrooms. Hello. Hello, beautifuls. It's lovely. Oh, look at her. Don't be scared.
We keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. We ain't slowing down. We keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. Yeah. No, we ain't slowing it down. Let's go.
We ain't slowing down, baby. Come and show me how. Gotta do it right now. You know you gotta hold me down.
These nosy little girls. Yes. I agree. They have run toward me as I'm riding and stopping. See you again. Oh, you're too sweet. I'm not sure what he's up to.
Moving,
We keep on moving along.
keep it moving, keep it rolling.
No, we ain't slowing it down.
Never slowing down, never
moving.
moving.
We keep on moving along.
Yeah.
Keep it rolling.
No, we ain't slowing it down.
Oh, I'm dead. Going now. It's just turning, see? Oh, bumpy. Those cool corrugations. Here we are.
Never slowing down, never moving.
Lost cause.
Keep it rolling, keep it moving. We ain't never gonna lose it.
Too close to the edge, eh? What? Okay, looks like I have to go back here. Yay, how's that? Well, good. Your ride back was good? Yay. Oh, 15.7 from 7.2. What's that? 8.5. Just putting the bike on. Those toilets are, well, new. Weren't here when I was a kid anyway. These pathways have changed too. There's only one once, now there's two. But this is more or less the same as when I was a kid. Except that was the path, I think. One path, now they've got the second one. Different. Whatever. That's always been here. When I was a child, brought our kids here, had fun. Here we are, Maxwell Beach. I won't go right down, Robert's waiting. Well, we always called it Maxwell Beach, where's the children? But now it's Ototoka. Oh my, full cliffs. But yeah, dangerous as, man. Anyway, back we go.